Hello guys, this is Mike from McProgramming.org. In this video, I want to complete our last RESTful method on our controller, and that will be the destroy method. So I just made a quick little blog post right here that just says delete this. So what I want to be able to do is come inside of here and click edit, and I'm going to add a button that's going to delete this entry. So let's go back to Sublime Text real quick, and what we want to do is inside of our blogs controller we have this destroy method. So let's go to our edit.blade.php because that's the view that we're showing that I want to add the button. So what I can do is I can go inside of here, and I want to go inside of this form right here. So let's go right inside and also inside of the div because I want it lined up with the rest of the blog form that we're including. So right here, I'm going to open up a new form. I'm going to say form model, and I'm going to pass it the blog that I want to use, and we need to give it a method of delete. So we're going to say delete, and after that we need to give it the action, and we are going to pass it the blog's controller at destroy, and we also need to give it the blog ID. Alright, so it knows what to destroy. Let's go and finish that off, and we need to make the form close tag. Cool. So let's make that button that will delete it for us. So what we need to do now is say form submit, and we're going to name this delete blog. And let's give it a class with a name of button and button danger. So that is going to make the button red to signify dangerous, such as maybe you don't want to do it. So let's go check out what that looks like in the browser real quick. Refresh. Alright, so we have our delete button. But the problem is if I click this right now, nothing's going to happen because I didn't specify anything inside of our destroy method. So let's go back to Sublime Text and go inside of our blog's controller where we have this destroy method. So what we want to do now is we need to specify the ID. So how are we going to do that? Let's write it out like this. We're going to say blog destroy and give it the ID. Very simple. And this is a nice eloquent method, which is destroy. And where it may look like this is a recursive call to this, but it's not. It is a static call to the blog facade. And now what we want to do is just redirect. So we're going to say return redirect to blogs. Alright, save that, and let's go check that out in Chrome. Refresh. Now let's hit delete blog, and it's no longer there. So let's go to middleware real quick, and I want to edit this and see if we can delete it. Alright, let's delete that, and it's no longer there. So now let's go back to Sublime Text. So now we have created all of the methods that we get when we write PHP artisan make controller, which gives us that resource route, which is that RESTful blogs controller. So that's pretty cool. We have all of the functionality now to deal with blogs in a RESTful way. So now you have full knowledge of how to make a resourceful route and how RESTful controllers work.